Hey y'all, it's your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, here with another Create and Relate, just checking in to let you all know that I am out for a little while, but I will be back. Whatever this is they got on me, it hit hard, but I can fight harder. I just wanted you all to see that I'm still here. Don't really have an appetite, so my kids are forcing me to eat, but I am eating. I'm drinking lots of fluid, making sure I have a lot of fluid. No fever. Have brief spells of passing out, coughing a lot, moments of confusion. You can hear the nasally. I think what gets me the most is the coughing because it's starting to hurt now. Last night I laid in bed all night listening to my blackout screen music, I guess you call it, and I stayed awake all night. But it's like a little after 8 now. I'm getting ready to go to bed. I did get up today and got in the chair, and I sat in the chair for a while. I was able to crochet a little bit, not even the whole complete piece. I didn't even do enough stitches to make a complete piece of anything. But at least I got something, done that says I crocheted. I feel weird. I feel really, really, really weird. I feel out of sorts. I don't feel right. But I'm a weird person, so. But again, thank you to all of my subscribers. I will be back soon. I will, I promise you. And thank God for pre-recording. Because you all, I have been under the weather since Wednesday. It is now Monday. So it's been almost a week. But I've been able to get those videos out there. So I'm happy about that. I've been sneaking in some of the little lives and saying hi. Some I just sneak into long enough to leave thumbprints. But like I said, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm here. I thank you for the prayers. I thank you for the love. And know that I got your back. And I got your backs just like I know you got mine. I love you guys. See you soon. Peace.